Good evening, students. How are you all? Please confirm that you can hear me. You can hear me? Excellent. Okay. Did you study well for your computer exam tomorrow? Very good, Muhammad. I hope everybody with their own names. It's much easier. Okay, let's start. Okay. We'll have our first question now. We'll start with Module 1, Computer Languages, Algorithm, and Flow Chart. Question 1. An organized set of step-by-step instructions that describe how to perform a task. It's an organized step-by-step instructions that describe how to perform a task. This is a definition of what? Show me your answers. Bara is saying algorithm. Hala, algorithm. Duha. Maryam. Muhammad. Excellent. See, we'll go fast because I will do all the notes, not just part of it. So we'll move directly to the next question. Question 2. Diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. This is the definition of what? Diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. Yes, waiting for your answers. Question number 2. Flow chart. Excellent. Correct answer is flow chart. Right. We'll move to question number 3. A low-level language that a computer directly understands and obeys. For example, zeros and ones. It's a low-level language that computer directly understands and obeys. What is it called? Question 3. Excellent, Adam. It's machine language. So question 3, the correct answer is machine language. Question number 4. It converts programs written in assembly language into machine language. It converts programs written in assembly language into machine language. What's the answer? Assembler. Excellent. Perfect. Hala, Adam, Duha, Usama, Maryam, Umar, Mickey, Bara. Excellent, everybody. All of you are amazing. It's assembler. Question number 5. A language that is easily understandable by humans as it uses normal English words. Question number 5. What's the answer for question number 5? Can you hear me? Is there a delay? High level language. Yes, correct. It's high level language. Excellent. We'll move to question number 6. A program which converts high-level programming language into a machine code line by line at a time and repeats the process again. This is a definition of what? Number 6. Definition of excellent, Maki. Interpreter. Yes, it's interpreter. Now we'll move to question 7. A program which converts high-level programming language into a machine code whole program at a time. Question number 7. Excellent. I'm happy all of you are putting your correct answers. Question 7 now. A program which converts high-level programming language into a machine code whole program at a time. Please, I want correct spelling. Yes, Adam. Compiler. Omar and Hala, check this. The spelling. It's called compiler. Correct. Excellent. Now we'll move to identify the following flowchart shapes indicate. What does this shape indicate? When you draw your flowchart, what does it indicate? This shape. Bara. Yes, Umar. Excellent. Duha. Maryam. Muhammad. Hala. Excellent, all of you. It's a start or stop or end. Yes. The second shape, what does it represent or indicate? The second one, what does it indicate? Yes, excellent. It's a process. The third one, what does it represent? The third shape. Guys, watch your spelling. Please write correct spelling. Okay, the third shape is decision. Excellent. Okay, you can hear me now? You can hear me now? Okay, so the last one is connects various shapes in flow charts. So we call them connectors. So they connect various shapes in flow chart. They are connectors. Okay, we'll move to model 2, the internet. Give the full forms of the following. What does HTTP refers to? What does HTTP refers to? HTTP refers to what? I want to see your answers. Fast, fast, we want to move fast. Who will send the first correct answer? HTTP. I want to see. 3, 2, 1. Still no answers. What is the full form of HTTP? Kinda, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Excellent. Then we have Omar, your answer is not full. Hala, yes. Maryam. So the correct answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Excellent. Next, ISP. What does ISP refers to? ISP refers to what? ISP. I want to see who will send the first correct answer. ISP. Question number 2. Muhammad Wissam, yes. Internet. The second word is wrong. No, 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 no. It's totally wrong, Muhammad Wissam. Internet, yes. Omar, internet service provider. Malak, internet service provider. Makki, X Gold, Star. Yes, so it's internet service provider. It's internet service provider. This is the correct answer. URL. Who will write the answer of URL? URL. Uniform Resource Locator. No. Universal Resource Locator. Yes. The correct answer is Universal Resource Locator. Excellent. Amazing. IP. Easy one. IP. Question number 4. Bara, you can hear me now? IP. No problem, Hannah. Yalla. Start answering. We are in question number 4. IP, what does it refer to? Internet. Please be careful who wrote internet provider. It's internet protocol. Internet protocol, not internet provider. It's internet protocol. Okay, my dear students, it's an internet protocol. We'll move to the next. Identify the following. It's the largest network that connects computers all over the world. What do we call it? The largest network. Excellent. Internet protocol is the answer for the previous question. Now we have identified the following. It's the largest network that connects computers all over the world. I want to see your answers. Excellent. Internet. Hala, Kinda, Umar, Maryam, Makki, Usama, Malak. Yes. The correct answer is internet. The next question. It's used to specify addresses to locate any resource on the web. Yes, excellent. It's URL, which is Universal Resource Locator. URL. This is the full correct answer. Okay. Question number 3. It's the use of hardware and software to deliver a service over the internet. Question number 3. It's the use of hardware and software to deliver a service over the internet. Show me your answers. Move to question 3. No spamming on answers, Usama. I don't want to block anyone. Cloud computing. Excellent. The correct no spamming, please. I will block whoever send his answer more than one. Usama and Adam. Okay? The correct answer is cloud computing. It's cloud computing. Question number 4. Question number 4. It helps to locate information resources such as web pages, programs, images, videos, etc. on the World Wide Web. What is it? Yes, Zaina. Muhammad Wissam, search engine. Excellent. Search engine. Question number 5. It's a set of web pages written in HTML, accessed using URL, and is hosted by a web server. What is it? Question number 5. Right of Virginia. It's a set of web pages written in HTML, accessed using URL, and is hosted by a web server. Excellent. Amazing. Website. Doha, Omar, Nuruddin. Website is one word. Web with B, not P. Okay. Website is one word and it's with B. Web site. One word. Website. Okay. Question number 6. It's a computer where the web connect is stored and always connected to internet. Question number 6 we are in. Yes, excellent. Web server. Yes. It's web server. Website one word, web server is 2 words. Okay, question 7. A software component that searches the web to collect information. This software is also called spider or bot. Show me your answers. Yes, web crawlers. Excellent. Kinda, Omar. Yes, it's web crawlers. So imagine a multiple choice question and giving you the 3 choices: website, web server, web crawler. You have to differentiate between the 3 of them. Okay? Now question number 8. Purchasing and selling of goods and services over electronic media, usually over internet. What do we call it? What do we call this? Purchasing and selling of goods and services over electronic media. Yes, Kinda, Iris King, Usam, Muhammad, Haysam, Omar. Excellent. It's e-commerce. التجارة الإلكترونية. E-commerce. Next question. Give an example for the following. Give me a name of any web browser. You know what are web browsers? We defined it already. So give me a names of web browsers, examples. Excellent. Yes. So we list all the examples. We have Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. All these are browsers. Browsers شو يعني? Browsers is the window that you open to be able to surf the internet. So e-commerce website examples. Question 2. Give me an examples for the e-commerce website. What's wrong with you guys, students? What's going on the chat? Can you please write the answers for the questions? Focus and answer. Okay, I can see. Noon, please, when you answer, write the full web page name. Yes, Kinda, excellent. www.amazon.ae. We have also www.souk.com, which is not anymore. We have www.noon.com. You know that Amazon have taken over Souk. There is no souk.com. Okay. Search engine. Give me the name of search engines. Fast. eBay is correct also, but it's not names. I said website. E-commerce website. When they ask you about a website, you have to put the full website address. Okay, I asked about the next question, number 3, search engines. I want to see answers. Yes, Kinda. Bing, Yahoo. What else? Yes, Saleh. Google. Zaina, Hannah, Omar. Excellent. So we have Google, Bing, and Yahoo. We'll move to the next question. Google Forms. Identify the following question types in Google Forms. What's your nationality? What is the type of this kind of Google form? Show me, what did you write? Drop down. Kinda have written drop down list. It's a drop down. Yes. Drop down. Excellent. The next one is, what we call this? Which type of question is this? Who's first? What's wrong, Muhammad Haysam? Yes. Kinda, multiple choice. Question 2, guys. Girls. Show me your answers for the second question. Nothing called gender. It's multiple choice. Multiple choice. You should always know it. Most of your exams now for all subjects are multiple choice. What is this third one? How would you rate the following? What do we call it? Show me your answers. Choice, not choose. Nuruddin. Yes. Kinda, Stars, Maryam, King, Zaina, Noor, Saleh. Excellent. So it's a multiple choice grid. Multiple choice grid. Next, number 4. Which of the following Emirates have you visited in the recent past? You can tick more than one. What do we call it? What do we call it? Muhammad Wissam, sorry. Maybe I missed your name. Show me now the answer for question number 4. Check box. Iris, Zaina, Kinda, Usama, Hiba. Hiba and Usama, you're answering the previous questions. Hannah. Where are you, Muhammad Wissam? Muhammad Haysam, previous question. Okay, my dear students, so the answer is check boxes. Yes, Muhammad Wissam, right, full proper spelling. Question number 5. What date and time works best for you? Select all that apply. What do we call this? Write the question number, please. They are similar here. Multiple choice? No. Check. Yes, it's a checkbox grid. Check boxes grid. We'll move faster. We have a lot more. Date of birth. What do we call it? This type of form. Answer faster. Yes, it's date. Next, number 7. When would you like to visit? Easy one. Number 7. Yes, time. Easy. Number 8. How effective did you find this webinar? I'll give you some time for this one. Number 8. Fast, fast. Question number and answer. We are in question 8. Yes, 6 date, 7 time. 8. 8 not time. 8. I'll give you more time for 8. Show me your answers. Yes, Duha. Spelling mistake. Answer is correct, but the spelling is wrong. Iris King. Saleh also spelling is wrong. Muhammad Haitham is correct. Muhammad Wissam spelling mistake. Muhammad Haitham we said okay. Adam's spelling. Omar okay. Muhammad Haitham stop spamming. Okay, so the correct answer is linear scale. L-I-N-E-A-R. Linear. Not line. Now answer the following. What's the person called who fills the survey form? What do we call the person who fills the survey? What do we call the person who fills the survey? Where are your answers, guys? Students. Star Scores. What's your name? Yes, Mariam. Sorry. Mariam Al-Wafi, right? Write your name next to your answer, please. Form filler. Respondent. Excellent. Correct answer. So we call the person who fills the survey form filler or respondent. Next question. Give an example or survey making software. The best example for survey making softwares. Zaina, you are with grade 5. Your answer applies to grade 6. But good, you studied well. Excellent. We'll have the revision for grade 6 at 6 p.m. Google Forms, yes, correct answer. Google Forms. Question number 3. How many different methods are there for sharing the form with form fillers? Zaina, that was your answer for the next question. Okay, so how many different methods are there for sharing the form with fillers? There are two methods. There are two methods, right? What are they? What are the two methods? One, through email, and two, by sharing link. Excellent. Through email and sharing link. Spelling students. Your spellings are not correct. Correct the spelling. Okay, how many types of sharing of Google Forms are possible? How many types of sharing of Google Forms are possible? How many? It shows here that they are list for me the types of sharing Google Forms. We know there are 3. List the 3, guys. Students, girls. Through email, yes. Yes, Hannah. Okay, write the answer, Hannah. So, there are 3 methods for sharing the forms. What are they? Number 1, through email. 2, by sharing link. 3 is by including in a website using iframe. You know what does it mean? You know what it means? Including in a website using iframe? We'll go to the coding and we'll see who understands. Who understands? Yes, excellent. We'll move to the next question. The response from a Google form can be seen in how many ways? Again, there are 3 ways. Don't write the answer 3. List for me the 3 ways. Muhammad Wissam is asking what's iframe. We'll talk about it when we go to the codes, HTML and CSS. I'm sure you studied the iframe code. You have done projects. Muhammad Haytham, no broken hearts. We are preparing for the exam. Be positive. Okay. List your answer. List the response from a Google form can be seen in how many ways? We said the response from Google Forms can be seen in 3 ways. What are these 3 ways? I want to read some good, correct answers. Summary, questions, individual. Excellent. Summary, questions, and individuals. Yes. Yes, excellent. Spelling, spelling, spelling. Okay, next question. What are the advantages of conducting survey online? List the advantages, one after the other. I want to read. I will read these answers. So please write correct spelling and the proper nice advantages. Okay, I'm waiting to read some answers of this question. Faster. I didn't see any until now. Low cost. Kinda and Luda Rizq. Who can't hear me? Hana Zaki. Check your headphones. It can be conducted anytime. Excellent, Kinda. One more. I need another 3. Yes, Noor. Hiba Abdo, I didn't understand. I think you have some spelling mistake. It's unclear. Ghina. Change from low cost. Can collect at any time. Also, we said. So you're sticking to 2 points. Low cost is 1. Okay, simple, easy one. Survey can be taken anytime. Okay. Next. Results can be converted into chart or graphs. This is the most important thing. Results can be converted into chart or graphs. The 4th one, of course, faster compilation of data. Last one, data can be collected from anywhere. Mariam, excellent. You put all in one. Zaina also. Excellent. Excellent. HTML. This is what I love. Coding. Let's start. This is the easy part of your computer. Easy answers, fast and simple. HTML and CSS. We'll start with the first question. A heading tag that is biggest in size. Yes, Omar. Yes, Kinda. Please write the tags open and close. It's not only H Muhammad Haytham. It should be open, the open tag, and these are closed tags. So you cannot write without putting the closed one. Okay? These are closing tags. So when I ask you about any of these tags, you have to write the open and the close together. H1 is the biggest in size. Which one is the smallest in size? Don't answer me without the brackets and everything. Saleh and I don't know, please. Proper typing for the codes. Yes, Iris, on iPad. No problem. I'm sure most of you are on iPads and phones. Excellent. The smallest size, Kinda, H2. Yes, H6. H2. The smallest is H6. Think as a game. The codes are really fun. Biggest H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5. The smallest is H6. Okay, next question. Tag that defines a paragraph. Easy, easy. Yes, Muhammad Wissam. Excellent. It's P. Oops. Tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Okay, question number 4. Who answered? Question number, students, please. Image, Muhammad Wissam. Excellent. IMG. Image with animated graphic. Number 5. Image with animated graphic. Image with animated graphic. Yes, Kinda, GIF. We call it GIF image. Yes. Question number 6. Image type used for logos. Image type used for logos. Yalla, students. Easy, easy, fast. Question 6. Write question number, please. Muhammad Wissam and Hanan, I didn't ask about the type of the file. We asked about the image, what we call it. Okay, Kinda, Omar, Maryam, Muhammad Wissam, sorry, Muhammad Haytham. All of you, PNG, excellent. So PNG, image type used for logos, a type of link that is linked within the same page. What do we call it? Within the same page, what do we call it? Question number 7. 7. Question 7. Yes, internal link. Excellent. Internal link. Type of link that is to an external web page. Question 8. External web page. External web page, of course, external link. Move to question number 9. A type of link that is hyperlinked to other web pages of the same website. Now, I don't know if you understand this clearly. When we say web pages, website. Website, it has multiple web pages. يعني عندنا الصفحة أو الموقع، خلنا نقول الويب سايت هي الموقع. الويب بيج هي صفحات داخل هذا الموقع. So web pages of the same website. So a type of link that is hyperlinked to other web pages of the same website, what do we call it? Show me your answers. Maki, Kinda, Rina. Yes, it's relative link من العائلة يعني. داخل نفس الويب سايت، داخل نفس الموقع. Okay, a type of list in which each item in the list is marked with a bullet point. هدول حلوين. عندنا two types of listings. We have numbering and we have bullet points. What do we call the one which lists with the bullet points? Yes, Mariam. Next question. Omar, unordered list. Mekki, unordered list. Reem, Kinda, Mariam. Okay, excellent. So it's unordered list. Okay, the one which is numbering, what do we call it? Of course, ordered list. See, it's an opposite of each other, as you can say. The one which has numbers, we call it ordered. The one which have bullet points, no numbers, we call it unordered. Question 12. A list style where entries are listed like in a dictionary or encyclopedia. Tell me, what is it? Question number 12. A list style where entries are listed like in a dictionary or encyclopedia. I want to see the answer for this question. Reem and Kinda, definition list. Spelling, 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 spelling. I don't know why you don't write correct spelling. Definition list. Okay, question 13. HTML element often used as a container for other HTML elements. It's easy. What we call it? This is the main container. It's a container and we can use it again under itself also as a kind of a sub-container. What do we call it? This is a code, students, huh? HTML element often used as a container for other HTML elements. So it's a code. Yes, Makki. It's the div container, correct. It's the div container. Yes. Next, HTML element used to embed another document within the current HTML document. When we want to embed, what do we do? Which code we use? Embed means to enter inside. Embed. HTML element used to embed another document within the current HTML document. يعني عندكم صفحة وفيها معلومات وانتم منسقينها. You have a page which you already designed, but you want to put, for example, a certificate that you have taken. In a way, think that you want, see, like you have a wall and you have some arts on it. This is your page. You want to add your certificate on it. This is how you should remember it. What do? You put it in a frame. Excellent. So we call it inline frame. And the code for it is iframe. And it's a closed tag. So you have to put the open and the close. Okay? Now tag that defines a table. Easy. Easy, easy. Table. Table is a table. Defines a table row. Now show me your work. Table row. I can't see your answers. Yes, Mariam. Table. The next question, students. Question 16. Tag that defines a table row. Tag that defines a table row. Kinda, TR. Table row. Yes, it's TR and it's an open and close. TR, table row. Easy to remember. Tag that defines table header. Table header. Also TH. It's a table header. TR, table row. TH, table header. Tag that defines a table data. Also easy. See, table, table row, table header, table data. Yes, I can see all of your answers, but I can't read all. because we have a lot of questions. We need to finish the whole notes for the revision. Who's writing call span? What is call span? Which question number is this? Table data is TD. Yes, TD. And it's a closing. Sorry. Number 19. It's used to merge two or more columns. It's used to merge two or more columns. Maybe you meant this one, Reem and Zaina. Okay, please write the question number so I know that you are answering, mashallah, faster. Saleh, when it will finish? When we finish the notes. I'm trying my best to cover all the questions. Okay, so this one we said it's call span. It's used to merge two or more columns. What about merging two or more rows? Yes, row span. Yes. Okay, call span, row span, excellent. The next question, question 21. Tag is used to embed a sound in HTML document. Sound, what do we call sounds? Sound files, what do we call them? From the name we can make out. Show me the answers. 21. Yes, Kinda, audio. We use the audio tag. Next, what about the video? Video file. Tag is used to embed a video in HTML document. Show me your answers. Please put the correct brackets and in the correct way. Imagine your codes will not work if you don't put it correct, right? You have tried this, correct? Question 23. Forms can be designed using this tag. It's for designing forms. Excellent. Rina, excellent. All of you are amazing. I hope you do well tomorrow in your exam and get full marks. Answer, please. Question 23. No one sent his answer. Forms can be designed using this tag. We said it's for designing forms. Noor, stop. I don't know what's wrong with you. Anyway. Yes, Makki. Yes, Maryam. يا مس كم سؤال باقي يا مس؟ يا مس, you don't know your notes? We are following the same. We have a lot. Yes, it's Form. It's a form. We'll move to question number 24. Forms element that defines a single line text input field.
أعطيني ماما.
Yes, my students. Where did we reach? Muhammad Wissam, you are tired? You can leave. It's up to you. Or if you want, we'll take a break for 5 minutes and then we continue. Do you want a break for 5 minutes? So the answer for question 24, see, it's forms element that defines a single line text input field. It's from the question. It says input type equals text. So single line text input field. Excellent. So you want a break or no? Okay, we'll take 5 minutes break. Only 5, and immediately I'll continue. 5 minutes. Or you know who wants to take 5 minutes break, take it, and then you can play back 5 minutes. It's available. You can join and play back 5 minutes. We'll continue. Question 25. Forms element that defines a multi-line text input control. We have to finish because the revision for grade 6 will start at 6 o'clock. So we don't have time. Okay, question 25. Forms element that defines a multi-line text and input control. So it's text. Please answer. Yes, Maryam. Excellent. It's text, area, and it's a closing tag, text, area. Excellent. We'll move to question 26. Forms element that defines a password field. Easy. Very easy. Password field. No, my dear, no grade 3, only 5 and 6. Today only 5 and 6. I can't do more. Input type password. Excellent. Maryam. The correct code is input type equals password. Sorry. Input. Don't forget the brackets. Everything makes a difference. By grade. Okay, next question, number 27. Forms element that is used to create a drop-down list. Drop-down list. Yes, excellent. It's select. Now we'll see answer the following. Okay, answer the following. What is the full form of HTML? What is the full form for HTML? What is the full form for HTML? HTML, show me your answers. Hypertext Markup Language. Excellent. It's a hypertext markup language. Excellent. Next, what is the file extension of HTML? Easy. What is the file extension? When we say file extension, you should not forget the dot. And hyper spelling is with Y, H-Y, not H-I. Okay? When we say file extension, it should start with dot. HTML. It's very important that you put the dot. Yes. Now next question. Give an example of empty tag. What does it mean, an empty tag? Do you know what's empty tag? Give an example of empty tag. Question number 3. You're still in question 2. Question 3. Show me your answers. What is an empty tag? Okay, HR is an empty tag. I can see your answer. IMG is an empty tag. BR is an empty tag. What is an empty tag? I'm asking you. Correct answer, yes. I know these are the examples of empty tags. But do you know what is empty tag? These are the examples. But what does it mean, an empty tag? I'm waiting. Is the line without right? Kinda, an empty tag is a tag that does not have a closing tag. Correct. It doesn't have an end. Means closing tag. Yes, Maryam. No empty space. Something that have no closed tag. Excellent. Okay, so you need to understand that these tags, when we use them, we don't put another closing tag at the end. Question 6. Give an example of a container tag. Container tag is what? Is the opposite of empty tag. Yes. It's an opposite of, so you can give anything you want. We have the H1 all till H6. And we have the paragraph, of course. And we have the audio. We have the P. We have the audio. We have the video. Any tag that have a closing tag. Okay? Question number 7. Give an example of inline element. Inline element. Inline element means when you put that tag, it does not take you to another line. It's within the same line. Like for example, when you put the BR, it takes you to another paragraph. It gives one space line. If you use the P tag, which is the paragraph 1, it starts from a new line. But I'm asking here, inline element. So if you put this tag without any spacing tags before or after, it will go in the same line. Did you understand? Example of an inline element. IMG is one inline element, and also when we use the A tag, it's an inline element. Give an example of a block level element. Block level element means it's a start, it gives you a start from a new line. Block level element. I don't know what you are writing, students. Absolute link, target attribute. What are these? They are not an answers to any of the questions I'm asking. Exactly, this is what I'm saying. What you are writing, students. What are you writing? My questions in one way and what you're writing is something totally irrelevant. Can you focus, please, and answer the questions? Answer now question 8 and put, please, the question number. Okay? Give an example of block level element. Question number 8. Sorry, it's question number 6. Give an example of a block level element. Yes, correct answers. It's P, and the closing P is a block level element. Also, all the H1 and H2 until H6. Next, list the type of external links in HTML. List for me all the types of external link. Hurry up. Faster. List all the 3 types of external links. Yes, now we are in question 7. List the 3 types of external link. Yes, the first is absolute link. Next. I'm saying external links. Yes, one is target link. So you have absolute link, target link. What else? What's the third one? Yes, and relative link. Yes, Rina. So we have 3. Absolute, target, and relative link. Yes. Absolute link, relative link, and target attribute. We'll move to question 8. List types of lists in HTML. How many types of listings we have in HTML? Show me your answers. List the types of lists in HTML. No one is answering also. I don't know why. Ordered list, unordered list, definition, list. Excellent. These are the correct answers. Unordered, list, ordered list, والdefinition list. Excellent. The next question, list the type of buttons in HTML. What are the different types of buttons in HTML? What are the different types of buttons in HTML? Buttons. You created some buttons when you did your projects. What different kind of buttons? Did you memorize your notes? I can't see any answers. Loda, submit, reset, and button. Excellent. So they are submit, reset, and button. Submit, reset, and button. Okay, we'll move to the CSS now. Answer the following. For the CSS chapter, what is the full form of CSS? Cascading style sheet. Yes, Kinda, Maryam, Malak, Ahmad. Excellent. So the correct answer is cascading style sheet. Next, what is the file extension of CSS? Of course, it's .css. It's an easy question, extremely easy. Question 3. What helps to change the way our HTML page looks? Question 3. Of course, it's CSS, the cascading style sheet. It changes the way how our HTML page looks. List all types of CSS. What are the different types of CSS? What are the 3 types of CSS? List the types of CSS. I want to see answers. Inline, internal, external. Excellent, Maryam. Inline, CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. Do you know what's the difference? Do you know what they mean, inline and internal and external? Inline means it's inside the tag itself when you write a code. Internal means you make a style CSS at the top of the page, in the heading, not in the body. External means it's a separate file that it's called whatever.css, and you link it to your HTML website or web page. Okay? You understand? Question 5. Which CSS selector selects elements based on the element name? Question number 5. Which CSS selector selects elements based on the element name? Only few are answering. Yes, element selector. Excellent. Mariam, Ahmad, Kinda, Muhammad. Yes. Next question. Which CSS selector selects a specific element? Which CSS selector selects a specific element? Please answer fast. Number 6, which CSS selector selects a specific element? Yes, excellent. ID attribute. It's called an ID attribute. Question 7. Give an example of CSS syntax of ID selector. Show me your answers for question number 7. Yes, Kinda. It's hashtag topic. We use the hash sign and we use the word topic. Question number 8. Give an example of CSS syntax of a class selector. Class selector. For a class selector. dot container. So the correct answer is dot container. Focus and answer, please. I don't see answers. Question 9. Which CSS property specifies the type of font to be used for an element? Which CSS property specifies the type of font to be used for an element? I want to see an answers. Yes, exactly. Font family. Font family. Number 10, which CSS property is used for altering the size of the text? Which CSS property is used for altering the size of used for altering the size of the text? Why you're tired? You're just answering. Type your answers. Is it that hard? Yes, it's font size. Excellent. Next, question number 12. Which CSS property is used to change the color of the text? Which property? Faris, please only answer. Focus and answer. Rina, also focus and answer. Leave them. Yes, the correct answer is color. Identify the following ways of specifying colors. A, when we say the color directly, what do we call this? Color name. Yes, excellent, Kinda. Please, anyone who will chat and not answer, I will send you out of the chat itself. B, what do we call it? When we use the hash sign, then some letters and numbers. What do we call this? Whoever is saying time is running out, if they want to leave, just leave. Others are Continuing and attending and answering. Hexadecimal code. Excellent. This is the correct answer. Hexadecimal code. This is what we call it when we use the hash sign and then some letters and numbers. This is hexadecimal. C, what do we call it? Excellent. I can see everybody is putting correct answers. Yes, the third one is RGB. Kinda and Mariam, excellent. It's RGB, which is the codes of the original colors, red, green, blue. Question number 13. Which CSS property specifies the vertical alignment of a text when you want to make your text aligned vertically? What do we use? Which property we use? Align vertically. Show me your answers for question 13. Yes, text align. Question 14. What are the possible values of the text align property of CSS? What are the possible values? Show me the answers for question 14. Right, center, left, and justify. Yes. Right, center, left, and justify. Correct. Read the questions and answer. 15. Which CSS property is used to leave some blank space before paragraph's first line? What do we call it? What do we call it? Answer, please. Show me your answers. Text indent. Excellent. Question 16. Which CSS property is used to decorate the text? Easy. From the name. What do we call it? The live is saved. Always you will find it on the channel at any time. And you can play it back even while it's live or even after. Yes, excellent. Omar and Kinda. Text decoration. Text decoration. Yes. Question 17. What are the possible values of the text decoration property of CSS? What are the possible values of the text decoration property of CSS? Show me your answers. I can't see any. Underline, overline, line through, blink. Excellent, Maryam. So we have underline, overline, line through, and blink. So these are the possible text decorations in CSS. Now identify the following about CSS box model. You know the CSS box model, right? We have the box model. It goes around the padding and content. What do we call it? You have this lesson, and the last one is rule-based system. So we'll finish CSS and then we'll move to rule-based system. Please answer. Yes, border. Excellent. So border goes around the padding and content. Number 2, transparent space between the content and the border. What do we call the transparent space between the content and the border? What do we call it? Padding. Yes, Mayar. Excellent. Padding. The next question. Transparent space between the border and the next element. What do we call it? The transparent space between the border and the next element? What do we call the transparent space between the border and the next element? Question number 3. Yes, margin. We call it margin. What are the text, images, etc. considered as? What do we consider the text and the image in the CSS box model? What do we consider it as? It's the one in the middle. Content. Excellent. It's content. Excellent. Okay, now we have identify the following about CSS grid layout. Identify the following about the CSS grid layout. What do you see in the first picture? What is this? What do we call these? Grid lines or guides. Only Maryam is answering. Where is everybody else? Grid lines or guides. Are you there? Number 2. I want to see everybody's answering. I will wait. Number 2. What do you see in the image number 2? What do we call this? Easy. I will wait to see the answer of everybody for this question. Fast. Two answers until now. You are already 25 in this live. 3, 4. I need more answers. Yes, we have Maryam, we have Tuna, we have Luda, Umar, Duha, Muhammad Wissam, Ahmad, Zaina, Malak. More. Don't repeat. If you answer once. Excellent. The correct answer is cell. Now the third image. What do you see? What do we call this? What do we call this in the CSS grid layout? Yes, Noor. Answer. Mayar, Maryam. Gaming time, what's your name again? I can't recall it. Wissam, I think. Wasim, Nasser, Yasser, I don't know. Please, give me your name. Ahmad, I said your name already. Okay, column. Next. What do you see in image number 4? Yes, Faris. Sorry, Faris. Okay, now answer question number 4, please, Faris. Kinda, Ro. Who else? Question number 4. Malak Muhammad is Nuruddin. Okay, sorry, Malak. We are in 4. Yes, Maryam. Who else? Yes, Luda. Ahmed. Ashandidi. Muhammad Wissam. Umar. Duha. Tuna. Faris. Umar. Okay, so it's row. It's a row or the rows. Okay. Now, what do you see in image number 5? What do you see in image number 5? What do you see in number 5? Yes, excellent. Grid area. The correct answer is grid area. We have the last image here. What do we call these spaces between the cells? What do we call it? Show me your answers. Gutter. Excellent. Gutter. I think we'll not revise the last chapter, or we'll do it fast. Past 8, 10. We have 13 questions in the last chapter. We'll do it fast because I have to go for grade 6. Okay? Okay, we'll do it fast. Let's move. Fast, fast, fast. Now in model 6, all rule-based system. Sorry, AI, rule-based system. Question number 1. It's the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. What do we call it? I want fast answers. Fast answers. Who will answer question number 1? It's the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. Excellent, Omar. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Question number 2. Instructions that tell you what you are allowed to do and what you are not allowed to do. What do we call it? What do we call it? Instructions that tells you what to do and what not to do. What you are allowed to do and what you are not allowed to do. Question number 2. Yes, rules. Excellent. Rules. I'm sure all of you don't like rules. But this is life. Always there are rules. It's also known as knowledge-based system. Question 3. It's also known as knowledge-based system. Knowledge-based system. Who will answer this? Knowledge-based system. Question number 3. Yes? Who will answer first? Knowledge-based system. What do we call it? What do we call it? Rule-based. Yes, Omar. Rule-based. Rule-based. I'm sure you're all tired, and me too. Excellent. Luda, Omar, Duha, Muhammad Wissam, Ahmad. Okay, next question fast. It's also known as inference engine or semantic reasoner. What is it? It's also known as inference engine or semantic reasoner. Software program, excellent. Software program. Question number 5. It enables the user to interact with the system. It enables the user to interact with the system. User interface, excellent. Correct answer. It's user interface. Next, question number 6. An alternative of rule-based system. What is the alternative for the rule-based system? What is the alternative for a rule-based system? Yes, Faris and Tuna. Machine learning system. Machine learning system. Question number 7. It's a field of study that gives computers the capability to learn without being explicitly programmed. What do we call it? It's simple, easy. It's a field of study that gives computers the capability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Yes, machine learning. Please be careful. These 3 questions, answers C. This one, machine learning system, alternative for a rule-based system. The second one, which allows the computers to learn without being explicitly programmed, it's a machine learning. The last one, it's seen as a subject of artificial intelligence. Again, this is the same answer of an alternative of rule-based system. It's a machine learning system also. So this is the same answer for the question of an alternative of rule-based system. Now answer the following last set of questions. Who writes the logic in traditional programming? Who writes the logic in traditional programming? Show me the answers. It's programmer. Who writes the logic in traditional programming? It's the programmer. List the limitations of rule-based system. What are the limitations of rule-based system? We have 4 limitations. The first one is difficult to create. It is difficult to create. What else? What else? Excellent, Maryam. Testing is very difficult. 3. Conflict in rules. And the last one is making changes in rules is very difficult. So we have 4 limitations in the rule-based system. Our last question is, mention few industries in which machine learning is applied. Answer the last question. Mention few industries. We have the financial services. Also, we have the marketing and sales. We have government. We have health care. And we have transportation. So these are examples in which machine learning is applied. By this we finished the revision. We have to end because Maghrib prayer is there also, Adhan. Thank you all and wish you all the best.